Hello everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Roll a craft paper and make a cone. We're going to make beautiful flowers by cutting these fruit foam net. Paste all of them together using hot glue gun. We're also going to cover this stick and put all the flowers inside the cone. We are making a bouquet here. Paste a bow and it's done. Cut this fruit foam net, make mini cuts using scissors. Now we are going to paste it using hot glue gun. Start rolling it and we are going to tie it using a rubber band, or you can also tie it using a thread. Give it shape and look, your flower is ready. Paste its sticks and leaves and it's ready. Cut this plastic bottle and cover it with yellow fruit foam net. Now take another piece and make small flowers and cover it around the cup. Now we are going to make white and different colorful flowers using fruit foam net and put all of them inside the pot. It's ready. Cut this black fruit foam net and paste it using double-sided tape. Start rolling it and keep it aside. Now take yellow fruit foam net and cut it. We are making sunflower petals here, so paste all of them around the black foam net using hot glue gun. Paste its leaves like we are doing here. Make mini cuts and we are also pasting the sticks like this. Now make a leaf and paste all of them together and your sunflower bouquet is ready. Cut a strip of fruit foam net, roll it and tie it using a thread. After this we are going to cut it and make a ball. Make more such fruit foam net balls and put all of them in a circular form and your flower is ready. Make more such colorful flowers and put all of them on the sheet of paper. Draw its leaves using sketch pen and your flower pot is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.